Let's take a closer look at the initiation phase of the project management lifecycle using one of our animated scenarios. You'll remember Anne, the events manager. Let's deal with the first question. Is this a project? In this scenario, Anne is planning a wedding for her clients. The bride and groom-to-be, who are her key stakeholders, have provided Anne with the objectives that need to be achieved, together with a number of deliverables. Moreover, there is a defined start and end date to have the project completed. Therefore, from the outset, Anne can definitively confirm that this is a project. The second question that she needs to consider is, what is the problem or the challenge? One of Anne's biggest challenges in this project is to make a memorable day for the couple without any issues within an 8-week period. In taking a closer look at what Anne needs to achieve, she will need to consider how she will go about coordinating all of the activities for this wedding event. The third question that needs to be dealt with is resourcing. That is, what do I need? Anne will need to consider all of the resources that she needs to get the project rolling. This will include human resources, suppliers, materials, and most importantly, time. The last question that needs to be addressed in this phase is, what are my options? Anne is an experienced events planner and therefore has various options to consider. Before proposing these options, Anne needs to be clear on what type of wedding the couple wants. She can then suggest different options on a range of venues, themes, flower arrangements, wedding cakes, and wedding dresses. Once she has explored all options, she can then move forward. The concept of exploring multiple options in the initiation phase of a project is to ensure that a range of possibilities has been considered. Too often, the default setting is returned to what is type of thinking, rather than going beyond what currently exists and thinking more innovatively about achieving project outcomes. So what is the benefit of spending time in this initiation phase of the project lifecycle? Well, if you don't have clarity in terms of who, what, when, where, why, and how of the project, and rush into the next phase, you will find yourself returning to initiation and rethinking all of your options, which will result in a waste of time, money, and resources. Having a clear overview or high-level plan allows you to move smoothly into the next phase of planning without leaving any value on the table. In the following video, you'll hear from Rob, a project manager who will talk us through his approach to project initiation.